She has no idea that we're about to be freezing. Really? Hey guys, so today is crazy because tomorrow we are heading out for our 10-day road trip to Colorado. We are going through Arizona, New Mexico, hanging in Denver for a few days, and then on the way back I'm going to be solo camping in Utah and Nevada. So it's gonna be awesome. So I have to go run some errands, get groceries, get my tires done, all sorts of stuff like that, and pack. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like to try to pack for a 10-day road trip that I haven't started packing for yet. Yeah, charging batteries, cleaning up memory cards. It's definitely a crazy day and I can't wait to take you guys on this road trip with me. So probably a little bit too much information, but I took the longest shower ever today because I'm not gonna get to shower again until Friday when we get to Santa Fe, New Mexico. Because even though the campgrounds are open right now, the amenities are closed for the winter and it's super cold. So it's a good thing you can't smell the episodes. You're so hyper. You're so hyper. And the other very necessary stop before a big camping trip. So one of the awesome and dangerous things about my apartment is that I have this beautiful, huge garage, which is amazing for all of my camping stuff, but now it makes me want like a kayak and a bike. Okay, we're getting there, you guys. Just have suitcase and Kristen's stuff, and I think we'll be done. So, I'll see you guys in the morning.